गोवा फॉरवर्डाच्या कार्यकारी समितीची महत्वाची बसका बुधवारा जाली. कार्यकारी समितीन टीसीपी मंत्री विजय सरदेसायाक पार्टीचो अध्यक्ष केला. अध्यक्ष जातनाच विजयान ताचो गोंय काँग्रेस मुक्त करपाचो प्लान जाहीर केलो. युतीच्या भागीदारांक दुखय नासतना उरिल्ल्या मतदारसंघांनी खंय तो पार्टी वाडयतलो. त्या उरिल्ल्या 16 मतदारसंघांनी सध्या काँग्रेसीचे आमदार आसात.
So in the interest of the growth of this party, I have taken over this responsibility. Although I am also having a responsibility which is quite onerous. The town, country planning and agriculture department are not departments which are where there is less work to do. थंय बी काम आहा. इतलें आसून पसून हांव पार्टीचो ग्रोथ जावपा खातीर हें पोजिशन हांवें एक्सेप्ट केल्लें आहा. आतां एक इंग्लिशीन सेयींग आहा की until you spread your wings, you don't actually get an idea how far you can fly. The Congress actually benefited from our narrative, cheated us before the election and was supposed to cheat us post-elections. हे आमकां आमचे बरोबर देव आहा आनी गोंयचे लोक आहा तांच्या आशिर्वादा खातीर आमी आज सरकारान आहा. नाजाल्यार 4 सीट झगडून 3 सीट येवन तिगूय जाण मंत्री ओगीच जावंक शकता. आतां आमी तशे आसात. आमचो एजेंडा आमकां फुडें व्हरूंक जाय. फुडें व्हरतना गोंयचे जनतेचो फायदो जावंक जाय. हो फायदो जातना गोंयकारपण म्हणटा तें गोंयभर स्प्रेड जावपाक जाय. हें करपा खातीर आमी हो पार्टीचें रिऑर्गनायजेशन हातांत घेतिल्लें आहा. ग्रोथ जातना प्रिफरेबली एलायज जे आहा ते एलायन्सान our paths should not cross or collide. It is in the interest of the alliance that this should not happen. But there are enough seats where the alliance is not being represented, which is opening for parties like us. And we need to grow there. And we will grow there. And we will start actively working immediately after the session gets over, by which time we will have a proper state unit organized.
पार्टी वाडोवपाक जयेश साळगांवकारा कडेन यूथ विंग जाल्यार विनोद पालयेकरा कडेन ओबीसीची जबाबदारी दिल्या. समविचारी लोकांनी गोवा फॉरवर्डान येवचें म्हूण विजयान उलो मारलो.
जे लोक फक्त पॉलिटिकल लिनिएज घेवन नात, आपले पांयार उबे राविल्ले अशे इंडिपेंडंट थॉट आशिल्ले लोक आनी गोवा फॉरवर्डान जॉयन जावपाची गरज आहा. अशें जाल्यारूच गोंयकारपण जितें उरतलें, स्प्रेड जावंक पावतलें. आमचें ट्रान्सपेरंट पार्टी फंक्शनिंग आहा. दिस इज नॉट एन आउटफिट ओन्ड बाय अ फॅमिली. I specifically want to mention that some people who have shared the same thoughts like us in the election period. थोड्यांनी म्हणलें की मॅच फिक्सिंग जाल्लें. आमचे तिनूय कॅन्डिडेट शिवोलीन विनोद पालयेकर, सालिगांवान जयेश साळगांवकार, फातोर्डान हांव, तांकां काँग्रेसीन सपोर्ट करूंक जाय आसलें. अशें काँग्रेसींतलेय चिंतपी खूब लोक आशिल्ले. तातूंत एक वोकल आशिल्लो त्राजानान उलोवन ओगी रावलो. आज हांव पब्लिकली ताका अपील करता की अंडर न्यू डिस्पेन्सेशन ऑफ द पार्टी वेर वी आर गोइंग टू बी प्रोएक्टीव, ही शूड एक्चुली जॉयन अस. बेगीन जॉयन जावचें असल्या लोकांनी. आनी खूब लोक आहा. आमकां सगळे समाज बरोबर घेवन वचपाचें आहा.
खंयच्याच परिस्थितीन खंय सवो कसिनो मांडवीन येवंक दिवचे ना. मांडवींतल्यान कसिनो भायर काडपाक कायद्यान बदल करून ऑफ शोर आशिल्ले कसिनो ऑन शोर करपाचो विचार चल्ला.
We have strongly been to remove the casinos from Mandir.
But now another one is being
Yeah,
I'm done by your party.
No, I see. I am the only person who has spoken vocally. They are witness to it. That casino should not be allowed to come. How you block it, you see.
Will it be a standoff with the government or will you?
Yeah, I'm going to push.
Appeal to the Supreme Court against
I am going to push for blocking that casino to come in the.
I have, from my side, I have already written to the captain of ports to stop that vessel to be anchored along the bank of where my constituency starts.
What if it comes, Vijay, what happens next? What if the decision?
We remove all of them together, wholesale. It comes in retail, we remove wholesale.
No, jokes aside.
No, I really say I'm actually pushing for moving them on land. See, you have got to amend the act. See, the casino in the river is polluting the river, is making the whole river get a look of sleaze around it. I have never, if you have clearly seen that I have never said that casinos should be shut down and sunk in the Mandavi. I have never said that, because now if you go to close down the casino industry, you are also affecting. It's going to have an overall effect. You can't be irresponsible and say shut it down.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलगर आनी विजय चेतन गवस.